Hi guys! Let's take a quick tour on this DK Magic Box VX1. So, this is a multi-function guitar pedal amplifier with all-in-one design, compact size, at rugged ang build. Variety of amp models and cabinet simulations. May built-in modulation, delay, and reverb effects with user-adjustable parameters for custom soundscapes. May 3-band EQ na din, built-in looper, drum machine, may Bluetooth pa para sa mga backing tracks at mga music mo. Headphone out, line out, and instrument output. At may built-in na dalawang 5 watts full range speakers. Rechargeable na din with 7.4 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery. Gumawa na rin ako ng 3 preset, kaya check na natin. Clean channel. Drive mode. Ito naman yung lead tone. Sobrang compact at portable, di ba? Comment down below kung anong masasabi nyo dito sa DK Magic Box VX1. This is Benja. Peace!